channel. Hello guys, it's me again, Jo of Boise Japan channel. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, it's me again, Jo. For today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you is another healthy and yummy recipe. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. And here are the ingredients. We have the garlic, the onions, the fried tofu, and the broccoli. I will use also a beef meat. I cut it lengthwise like this. Season with a soy sauce, a Japanese wine or sake, salt and pepper, and mix all together.